Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new around here, hi, I'm Mackenzie. I make videos with my family on YouTube and we are called Walt Disney. As you can tell by the title of this video, it is a super exciting video because we are starting a new Disney World trip series, and today we are doing the pack and prep for Disney World. Today is Friday, November 4th, and we leave for Disney World on Sunday, November 6th. So we have 2 days, but tomorrow actually we are heading to Dallas, Texas, because that's where we're flying out of, and our flight is at like 6 a.m. on Sunday. So we're gonna go ahead and go there, stay there. That way we're ready to just wake up and go to the airport. You're probably wondering who I'm going with on this trip, and I'm going with my fiance. It's kind of weird because we don't really share our personal lives on this channel. It's really just like while we're at Disney and like prepping for Disney. But I am engaged. I got engaged last week to Bryce, who's my best friend. We've been together for over a year now, and I'm just so happy. He planned to propose before our trip. That way this is kind of like engagement moon. Like, we're just gonna be celebrating our engagement. Fun fact, he's never been to Disney World before, so it's gonna be so much fun. Just like, I'm doing all these extra special things because I want this trip for him, his first trip, to just be incredible. And he's a huge Star Wars fan. He loves all the Disney movies. He's going to love it. He loves food too, so like, it's got everything he needs. So I just wanted to kind of pop on and give y'all a little bit of info about our trip. We are going for 6 nights, 7 days, I believe. So whole week of Disney fun. It's also going to be Christmas time, which I am so excited about. I love Christmas, and Christmas at Disney is just like top tier. So anyway, to the video. I'm just gonna kind of go through today on how I am prepping for Disney and then how I'm going to pack for Disney later. I'm a last minute packer, as evidenced by that we are leaving tomorrow and I haven't packed a single thing. So basically this morning it is 9:29 and I have been doing lots of laundry. I like to do laundry like either the night before, I pack, or the day of. That way everything is clean and I have all my options that I could possibly need for the trip. So I'm gonna go do some laundry and then get my nails done, and then we will come back together and I will kind of go over, you know, how I make my packing list, how I make my like last minute shopping list for like our Target run right before our trip. So I hope you guys are excited for this pack and prep with me. These are my favorite videos to watch because it's like, you can feel, I don't know if you can feel it, but I feel the excitement of our Disney trip just like coming into the screen. I just thought I would take y'all back to the laundry room. This is what we're working with. We have clothes in the dryer. Bryce's clothes are in the washer to be dried. Still have a pretty big laundry basket there to get done. It's a lot, and waiting to the last minute, maybe not the best idea, but we're here, we're doing it. That's all we can do. Folding the laundry. Hello everyone, welcome back. It's a little bit later. It's like 11:45. I just got back from getting my nails done. I just get like a classic white before I go on vacation because there's just something so exciting about having like beautiful, fresh white nails. So that's what I do. I actually am just sitting here working on my packing list. I have the weather app right here pulled out in front of me just so I can kind of see, you know, what the weather is looking like. Of course, if you've been to Orlando before, you know that the weather changes like that. But it's looking like we have like mid 80s as our highs all week, and then like lower 70s as the low. So beautiful weather. There are a couple days that it says it's gonna rain, but in Orlando, it rains scattered all the time. So like some of these days it says scattered thunderstorms, but when you click on it, it's only supposed to thunderstorm for an hour. So if you see rain in your forecast at Disney, don't let it discourage you. Usually it's like a monsoon downpour for like 45 minutes to an hour, and then it's sunshine. So with that in mind, I'm just kind of writing out my packing list. The way I kind of set up my packing list, I'm just gonna write out everything I know I need to bring to Disney World, and then I'll kind of go through that list and see what things I don't have and add it to a things to pick up at the store before we leave list. That way I'm not missing anything, because I know some things I don't have, but I don't want to like leave them off the list or anything like that, because my brain before Disney is all over the place. So I'm gonna write that out, and then I'm gonna start kind of setting out some of my clothes that I know I want to bring, and setting out a lot of the stuff that I know I do have. That way I don't forget anything. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna sit here, write out our list, and get ready to pack. All right, hello there. I have changed into a shirt that was the exact same one as I was wearing earlier, but this one is white. And I've made some packing progress I wanted to show you guys. I made my packing list, and then I just kind of went through and did this. I basically pulled out everything from my closet and dressers that I know I want to bring with me, and I organize it based on category. So like I have athletic dresses, comfy shorts, athletic shorts, jean shorts, some t-shirts based on like neutral colors, and sweatshirts, dresses, pajamas back there. And so I have everything out that I know I want to bring, and then I'm about to sit through and separate it based on outfit so I can make sure I have something that goes with everything. I just kind of feel like this has been the best way for me to make sure I have all the outfits and shirts and shorts that I really want to have at Disney World. I think before, when I've organized based on outfit first, I've kind of like left some important things out. So that's where we start with all the stuff behind me. Very excited to get packing. I've only gone through my clothes and a couple other miscellaneous items so far. I still have to do electronics and get everything ready to pack in my carry-on backpack. I usually bring a like backpack as my personal item on flights, and then I bring the away larger carry-on for my carry-on. I just feel like everything fits, and I'll kind of go through both of those, backpack and suitcase, and just show you the ones I use, because they have been a lifesaver in packing for trips, especially Disney World. So let me go sort these into cute fits for Disney, and then I'm gonna tackle electronics and like toiletry items, which I know that is where my list is going to grow for the grocery store. So let's go. All right, so I have organized everything based on outfits, and then I have a couple extra pieces just in case. A lot of times we will go back to the room and do a quick change if it's too hot, too rainy, and I like to have a different outfit to put on. I don't know, I just want to feel fresh and clean, like going back to the parks already. So I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about my suitcase. I have the away carry-on suitcase. I think I have it in the larger size, and it's like the white hard shell. It's absolutely incredible. It's pretty scuffed up, but it's because I use it so much. And it's like the suitcase I've never had an issue with. I always have plenty of room for packing, and I love that the hard shell kind of just keeps everything nice and protected, and I don't always have to like smush my case down to try to fit everything. It has like a little lock on it too, and it comes with a battery pack so you can charge your phone if you're in the airport and aren't near an outlet. I'm just gonna open it up. Inside here, it's huge. I do keep a bunch of these packing cubes that I got from Amazon. I put them in my last packing video, but I'll link them below. They're massive, and the thing I really liked about these wasn't just for packing, but when I got to Disney, I just took the packing cube out and like put it in the drawer, and everything was organized. So it was organized based on the outfits I had, my backup outfits, my pajamas, my like sports bras and stuff. And it was just so easy and quick to unpack, and then packing it back up, it was nice because I just kind of threw everything in there, zipped them up, put them in my suitcase. It came with a whole bunch of them, so definitely be sure to check those out. One other thing that I always do is leave my travel outfit kind of at the top of my suitcase. Like I said, we are staying in a hotel tomorrow because our flight leaves at 6 a.m. the next day, and we weren't going to drive to the airport, so we wanted to stay super close. So I will just leave my travel outfit like right on top. That way I don't have to dig through my suitcase to get my travel fit out. And that is something I've learned the hard way. So if you want, go ahead and watch me pack. There really is no method to this madness. It's just trying to fit everything and also have some sort of room for souvenirs. All right, so hair is now up because packing gets very, very hot. I did, however, manage to fit everything in my suitcase. 9 nights worth of stuff. The only thing that's not in there, I do have my clothes for the car ride and Dallas tomorrow, and my pajamas for tomorrow night, but that will just go in Bryce's bag when we're done because we just don't have the room. However, I did quickly want to show you my electronic organizing thing that I have going on. So this is it. It's by BagSmart. I got this off Amazon and I just love it. I love how you can organize your cords so they don't get tangled. It's got a nice pocket in here. And just to kind of go over some of the things I'm bringing my camera battery charger, I'm bringing my hard drive in here, and then I also have my SD card holder. It's wonderful. I need to fill it up, but it's super handy, also from Amazon. I'll put it down below. The fan, the powerful handheld fan, is from Amazon as well, and this is the charger that it comes with. And then I am bringing our fuel rod. If you don't know what fuel rod is, it's incredible. Basically a charger that you can exchange around the parks. So that is my electronics. Now that I have all my electronics, my clothes, shoes, everything's packed in my suitcase, all I really have left is my toiletries and like my travel backpack, which I will put my toiletries in. That is always the hardest part for me because I want to bring everything and everything is not needed. So let's go into the bathroom and try to decide what we need to bring to Disney. Hello, welcome to my bathroom. We have moved. I have these two cases that I got in my packing cube set. One I kind of like to use for makeup, so I'll just kind of briefly go through some things I have in here. I just use this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I have some Shape Tape concealer. Really, that's all I wear. I also am going to be bringing my Super Goop glow screen. If you don't have this, you need to. It leaves a beautiful like tint on your skin while also protecting it from the sun, which at Disney is very, very important. So that is definitely coming with me. That's pretty much it as far as makeup stuff. Now for my toiletries. I found my bag. It's kind of left over from the last trip we took to LA, and I'm glad I went through it because I have a lot more stuff that I thought I was gonna have to buy, but I still have, you know, samples of it. So I have these Burt's Bees makeup removing wipes that I'll bring. I have a completely unopened thing of hand sanitizer, which is important. For Bryce, he just has some body wash. I bring some lotion. Wrinkle releaser. I don't know if you've encountered this product before, but you literally spray it on your clothes. It makes them smell good, but also when you like pull it tight, it removes the wrinkles from it. I don't know how it does it, but it's great, especially if you don't want to get the iron out at Disney. Perfect. And then I have some men's 2-in-1 shampoo for Bryce. They do have shampoo and conditioner and body wash at all of the Disney resorts, but I kind of like to have my own just in case my hair is feeling super dry, which can happen. And then I just have some face cleanser. So that's what I have in here. So I do need to buy me some shampoo and conditioner, and just maybe look through some other things, get some like Tylenol, Advil, Tums, things I kind of want to put in my first aid kit that I bring with me into the park. But super happy I have all of this stuff already, so it'll save me some money and some time. All right, so I think that pretty much covers it as far as my packing. Now I just need to go through my packing list, see what items I did not pack, like which ones I have not crossed off, and make a list for our Target run later tonight. I do quickly want to show you my backpack that I bring as like my personal item on flights. I got this off Amazon and it is a game changer. This is it. It's beautiful, but look at all that storage space. I mean, it closes. There's so much room in here. It's like a huge deep pocket. Like my laptop fits very comfortably. It also has a little place where you can put in a portable charger, so that's great. And then even the front pocket is like massive. Like this is just wonderful. Oh, and my favorite feature, it has a strap so you can put it on your suitcase. I think that's really convenient because that way I don't have to carry something on my back and push my suitcase. I can just throw my backpack onto the luggage strap and then push it all together, which is great. So now I'm going to go work on editing my list, see what things I need, and then get ready to go to Target as soon as Bryce gets home. So let's do it. All right, so Bryce has made it home. It is about 5:15 and we are about to make our Target run. We'll show you guys everything we get from the Target little travel section, and maybe I'll even pick up a couple other things. But anyway, to Target! All right, so it is a little bit later now. It is actually almost 7. It's actually almost 7 o'clock at night, and we just got back from Target, and I'm gonna do a little Target haul that we picked up. So Bryce got him some new deodorant. I got me some new deodorant. I got some shampoo and conditioner, travel size. We got some mouthwash. I got some face wash. Bryce got some body wash, travel size. We got some liquid IV. I've never had this before. Bryce, have you had this before? Yes, he's had it before. I plan to drink a couple pina coladas, and I don't really drink that much anymore, so we're gonna see if these saved my life or not. And last but not least, we picked up this little travel wallet. We figure it's probably just easier to put our cards and cash in this and then like put it in our backpack instead of us both carrying around our wallets. So we think that's going to be the best bet. We're gonna try it out and just see how it does. But yeah, that's what we picked up from Target. Everything else, like I said, I found some like extra travel size things that we had. So we didn't have to get too much. But yeah, I'm gonna finish packing and I will check back in. Bryce has to still pack too. He hasn't packed anything yet. So we're gonna finish packing and then I'll check in with you guys later. All right, so I am in my Mickey Mouse sweatshirt now. I have completed my packing. Bryce has got his packing done. We have my carry-on backpack done, and we are ready to go to Disney World tomorrow. Well, go to our pre-trip tomorrow. And then we will go to Disney World on Sunday. So I hope this video, as chaotic as it was, helped you a little bit in seeing how I prep and pack for Disney World. Everyone does it a little different, so I think it's really fun to kind of watch people's videos and get different ideas on how they pack all of their things for Disney. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you in any way, and subscribe down below so you don't miss another one of our Disney videos, which are going to be coming very soon. I'm just so excited to share this series with you guys. It's going to be really special for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye.